Welcome to Me Wings English. Other ways to say I am here for you. You can count on me. I have got your back. I am by your side. Lean on me. I am with you all the way. I will stand by you. I am always here if you need me. You are not alone. I won't let you down. I am just a call away. Other ways to say I miss you. I have been thinking about you. I wish you were here. Can't wait to see you again. My days aren't the same without you. I am longing for your company. You have been on my mind. Feels empty without you around. I am counting down the days until we meet. I keep replaying memories of us. Life is better when you are near. Thanks for watching.